Hi, my name is Bill KEEFER with Kayak News USA. I'm just getting into kayaking and I love it. I want to take a back in time, go back to about 1911 to Rainier and see some old footage. It's lovely, it brings nostalgia back up in the mountains and the early days of kayaking in the United States. Till next time, Bill KEEFER, Kayak News USA and MLSProVideos.com. Till next time. Hi, I'm Bill KEEFER with MLSProVideos.com. We have Kayak News USA. If you have a product you'd like to be reviewed, just give us a call at 541-531-3691. We'd love to review your product and put it up on YouTube. We are professional video makers and we'd love kayaking. So give us a call at 541-531-3691 or email us at MLSProVideos@hotmail.com. Thank you for watching and keep on kayaking.